Boom shakalaka, what is up guys? Randall here from Crypto Love, and today we have an episode about, oh my god, is it a bull run? Or is it a bull trap? Or is it all just bullshit? We'll answer all those questions for you today after you click on that subscribe button and mash on the like button. So, taking a look at things today, Bitcoin is up. It was hovering down in the 6,000s, like 6,800, and then all of a sudden today shoots up 10%, $7,658. And not only Bitcoin, but pretty much everything else is up. I mean, if you take a look, EOS is up with their Dawn 3.0 launch. Who else is up big? Cardano's up big. Anyone else? Any real big gainers? No, none. But pretty much everyone, almost everyone in the green, everyone except for Bitcoin Diamond. Ooh, what a shame. Son of a gun. But the curiosity lurks. Should you buy Bitcoin? Should you not buy Bitcoin? Should you wait? Should you do what? Well, I'm not a financial advisor. I will take a look at some of those stories and figure out what to do. Now, to begin with, why is Bitcoin soaring? Well, there's been some talk recently about what's been going on with Bitcoin. But before we get into that, let's look at where the money's coming from in Bitcoin. Now, historically, recently, for the past couple of weeks, there's only been about $4 billion of daily volume in Bitcoin. If we look today, doubled, $8 billion. A lot more volume going on today. Where is that volume coming from? Well, majority of it is coming from Bitfinex, OK Exchange, Binance, Upbit, Huobi. A lot of US dollar tether coming back into Bitcoin. A lot of Korean money coming into Bitcoin. Okay, as per usual, I guess. A lot of Korean money always coming in Bitcoin. But specifically, we're seeing articles like this. I think this was today. Boom. First Soros, now Rockefellers move into cryptocurrency. So boom, big institutional investors, billionaires, people with lots of money are coming into cryptocurrency. And they're bringing lots of money into there. Venrock, the capital with the Rockefellers, they're putting money into cryptocurrency. Who's next? Warren Buffett? Maybe he'll be putting money into cryptocurrency. Does that mean good things for us? Yeah, it probably does. How about other stuff? Well, how about Chinese governments backing funds? $1 billion fund backed by the Chinese government. A lot more institutional or government money coming into cryptocurrency. Could that be all the reasons for the price jump in Bitcoin? It could. Certainly could. Now, taking a look at some other people like the Motley Fool, why they think Bitcoin's up 11% today, they're saying it could be because tax selling is over. So taxes suck with cryptocurrencies. People had to sell cryptocurrencies at a loss to pay their taxes where they gained. It's so fucked up. Taxes just suck. But they had to do that stuff. Well, now it's kind of done because there's a lag in selling. So that could be part of it. They also say that it could be traders in what's called a short squeeze trying to cover their short positions. So if they shorted Bitcoin and the price went up, they would actually owe more. So they're selling shares to actually, so they're buying more to actually be able to pay off what they owe. It becomes a big mess. So all of that. And in terms of other things, I think this could be the number one thing. Maybe. That's kind of a joke. But Bitcoin has been declared halal and holy for the Islamic community. So because of that, they can all purchase it. They don't have to worry anymore about breaking any laws. So that means that Bitcoin is now halal. Whole other community can now buy Bitcoin. All right, so maybe they got that and then they started buying it. All those reasons could have attributed to this giant spike we saw recently. Look at that, man. Whoo. I mean, normally we see spikes like that with like small little altcoins, but with Bitcoin, it's rare to see a spike just as sharp as that. Sharp as a tack. Someone placed a big buy order, it would seem. But who was it? Now, should you buy? Is it a good time to buy? Well, this trader here on TradingView says that he compares this to back in 2014. So this was 2014 when we saw markets crashing until bull trap in the end. Just what we've seen here, crashing, whereas the bull trap. So he says it looks very similar. It could be the bull trap or the epic short squeeze. And so yeah, everybody's expecting the price at a 6,000 double bottom, a 5,000 bottom, 3,000 bottom. No one's expecting a bull trap. And what is a bull trap? A bull trap is when the price goes up significantly, people start getting antsy and wanting to buy in, and then they buy in and the price goes back down and they lose some money. So that being said, what are we looking at? Well, when taking a look at things over the long view, for me, Bitcoin would have to break out of this upper indicator. So this upper white line in order for it to actually break out of there, because right now that's acting as somewhat of a channel. Okay, so if it breaks out of there, yeah, it could continue going, but if it doesn't, I would see it probably coming back down. My prediction is still it's going to be, probably June until we start to see a really big bull run. But this is a reason that makes this is the reason for dollar cost averaging, because you don't have to worry about things like this. You don't have to worry about buying, trying to find the absolute low or the absolute best time to buy. I mean, if you're concerned about buying now, if we zoom in on things, relatively, in this little graph right here, it's at an all-time high. My rule, all-time high, do not buy. But, it could have been a double bottom, could be going up. But my personal thing, we had the death cross a few days ago. That was exciting. But also, if we take a look down here, where you can't see, where I'll need to make it a little bit darker so you can see everything there. But if we take a look there at the MACD, we do have, we do have a bull cross on the MACD. You'll just have to believe me there in case you can't see it. But we do have a bull cross going on with the MACD. Now, is that just going to be a little transient one, temporary one? Probably. But could it be the beginning of something new? That's possible. We'll have to see over the next couple days. Me personally, am I buying more Bitcoin? Well, I bought some yesterday and I'm buying some tomorrow because I buy some every Wednesday and Friday. That's what I do with dollar cost averaging. Should you buy some right now? No, it was testing some highs and coming back down. Again, not financial advice. Do what you want with your money. But the price could come back down because this is likely a bear trap. Is there good news? Yes, there's good news. Institutional investors are coming in. I'm going to make a video on cash, which is going to make it really easy for institutional investors to get into Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Should you be excited about Bitcoin? Hell yeah, because it's the future. So, thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you have a good one. Love you. Peace.